Welcome to Error Genie. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix mouse cursor not showing up invisible in Roblox game on PC. Let's go step by step to get you back in the game. Step 1. Run Roblox as administrator. Close Roblox completely if it's open. Type Roblox into the Windows search box. Right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click Roblox Player again and select Open File Location. Now, you should see the Roblox Player Launcher file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This grants extra permissions which may help resolve the problem. Many players have found that this step fixes their issue. Step 2. Set Roblox to always run as administrator. If you want Roblox to always run with administrator permissions, right-click Roblox Player Launcher again and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Now, every time you launch Roblox, it will automatically run as administrator. Still having issues? If the problem persists, I've created a separate video that covers additional troubleshooting steps for Roblox. Check it out on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie for more helpful tutorials.